What's wrong? Achilles, look at me. Sit down for a second. Let me talk to you. Why are you getting so excited? Is there any specific place you want to go? Oh, okay. Alright. What am I supposed to... Hey, don't scream at me! Okay, give it. Okay. Alright, freak. Stop being a freak. Sit down. Sit down. Okay, I know.
Come on, guys.
He's not gonna find out. Hey. Okay, listen, this is what we can do. If you sit down and you calm down for 1 second and you hear me out, we can go to the beach. To the beach? Yeah, the beach. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. You like the beach, right? Hey, what are you crying about? We're going.
To the beach.
Yeah, we're going to the beach. Alright, so stop crying.
Beach, boy.
Alright, okay, I know. Yes, you don't have to give me all those kisses. We're already on the way. Come on, get back. You're gonna make me crash. Get back. You ready? Where's your leash, bro?
Stay right there.
Where's the leash? Oh, you forgot the leash? How is that my fault? Is it my leash or yours? Don't know. Oh, see, Mama had it. Mama had it the whole time. All right, I'm gonna put it on.
Okay. We're here at the beach. At the beach. I'm already vlogging.
Are you gonna vlog?
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
All right. All right, ready? Hold on. All right, go. Whoa.
The wood. On the wood.
Who lives in here? The troll?
Yeah.
How about the goblins?
The drop-off goblins
How about
live
the
here.
ghouls?
Ghouls, yeah. Shrek lives here.
Shrek?
Yeah. Shrek. He lives here. Oh, we're at the beach.
Alright.
Oh, there's giant waves.
Okay, hey, sit down. Listen, I know that your favorite place is the beach, but safety first, okay? We have to protect your nose. Stay there. Look. Hold on, hold on. Gotta protect your nose. Just a little bit, okay? Oh gosh! Alright. Wisa, let's check out the water. Come on. Boom. You going in? The old man finally lays down. What, are you tired? Oh, never mind.
So as you guys can tell, we decided to come to the beach today because it's Saturday and the day is beautiful. So we decided to bring Carlos's 2 younger brothers and then of course Achilles, because like we mentioned, that's his favorite place. So we're just gonna hang out at the beach for a little while.
That wave knock him out?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Come on, get out. Come on, boy. Hey. What's wrong with
The waves are too strong. Can you help me out, please? Excuse me, do you guys have any restrooms around here? Hello?
Look how pretty the water looks.
It's like so hot in Florida. Come here, Brandon.
This is our fall in Florida. All of this.
Yeah, that's how we do it. With my goo, with my main goo right here.
Then we have the other one. Chasing birds.
My brother is
And then this one.
my brother has he's part sheep. So if you can see his wool right here, we like to shave his wool and
Let's get a close up of the wool.
what I like to do is shave off this wool and sell it to the sheep farms.
Yeah.
And we make a big profit like that. That's how he's paying for his school. We're probably gonna go get something to eat soon. And we're gonna hit up that Hillsong movie tonight, right? With my parents.
Yeah. Look how cool this little entrance is that we came through. It's like a little hidden passage. We're literally going underneath these trees.
All right, make sure he doesn't go to the road, okay?
Okay.
Achilles, you good?
Looks like E.T.
Yes.
Looks like Grandpa had a good time at the beach. You had a fun time?
He's Uncle Krys. Let's go.
Hey, don't. Hold it steady. Hold it steady. No. Christian, no one's going to want to watch a video like that. Hold it steady.